Good morning, dear student. I am Manoj sir, your mathematics teacher in Shivra Singh Children Academy. In a previous lecture, we have learned about the geometric progression, general term of the geometric progression. That means an equal to an equal to a r to the power n minus 1. Sum of the first n term, that means Sn equal to a 1 minus r to the power n upon 1 minus r, or Sn equal to a r to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. Today we are going to discuss about geometric progression. Geometric means. Now today we are going to discuss about geometric mean. The geometric mean of two positive numbers a and b is a number square root ab. That means geometric mean is an abbreviation as the GM is equal to square root AB. Also this GM is denoted by simply in a capital letter G. G equal to square root AB. Here formula of G equal to square root AB, where A is the positive numbers and B is the positive numbers. That means A, G, B is a GP. You can find geometric mean between two positive numbers a and b is the G equal to square root AB. What is the definition of G? We can insert a numbers capital G between two positive numbers a and b to make the resulting sequence is the GP. We can say that number A, number G, number B is the GP, and number G between A and B, where A and B is the positive numbers. Examples: find geometric mean between 2 and 8. Here A equal to 2 and B equal to 8 and G equal to square root AB. We know that G equal to square root AB. That means geometric mean of two positive numbers A and B is the G. G is square root 2 multiply 8. G equal to square root 16. G equal to 4. This gives square root 16 gives value 4, only 4, not square root 16 is equal to plus minus 4. Square root 16 is only 4. We can find the geometric mean between 2 and 8 is the 4. But what is the 4? What is the definition of the geometric means? 2, 4, 8. 4 is the number between 2 and 8 to make the 2, 4, 8 is the GP. check whether this is GP or not. We find the common ratio here, A1 equal to 2, A2 equal to 4, A3 equal to 8. Then A2 equal to 1, A2 upon A1 equal to 4 upon 2 equal to 2. A3 upon A2 equal to 8 upon 4 is equal to 2. Here A2 upon A1 equal to A3 upon A2. Both are equal, hence this is the GP. That means a number is inserting between two numbers, two positive numbers, which make the resulting sequence is the GP. Then this number is known as the geometric mean of two numbers, two positive numbers, 2 and 8. Understand, student? Here some student talk to G equal to -4 is also geometric mean of 2 and 8, because 2 minus 4 and 8 is the GP, is a GP. -4 by 2 equal to -2, 8 by -4 equal to -2, but -4 is not between 2 and 8, then this is the not a geometric mean of 2 and 8. And square root 16 only gives the value of 4, and square of 16 gives the value of x equal to plus minus 4. Here this concept, and square root of 16 is always positive. -4 is not a geometric mean of 2 and 8. Some important point related to the geometric means. Remark. First, square root of negative numbers does not defined in real case, in real number. That means square root -4 is the not defined in the real. And second point does not defined in real number. Second, if a is the less than 0 and b is the less than 0, that means a and b both are negative, then we cannot find geometric mean of a and b. Why? If, for example, we understand this concept by the examples, geometric mean of -2 and 8. G equal to square root -2 multiply -8. G equal to 16, G equal to 4. Here 4 is not between 2 and -8. Then 4 is the not geometric mean of 2 and 8. you understand why you take the positive numbers a and b. If, and third, if a is the positive, and b is the negative, then ab is the negative, it is not possible to the find square root of this other. If here a is the positive, b is the negative, then square root of ab not possible. Not possible. If a is the negative and b is the positive, then also ab is the negative, then the square root of ab is not possible. Hence, two numbers, find the geometric means of the two positive numbers. Here both are negative, here one negative and one positive, then cannot find the geometric mean of the two numbers. Square root 16 is the 4. It should always positive, not negative. And fifth, x square equal to 4, then implies that the value of x equal to plus minus 2. In this lecture, we have insert one geometric mean between two positive numbers a and b. Now we can insert many numbers between two positive numbers a and b as you like, to make the resulting sequence is the geometric progression, that means GP. A and b is the two positive numbers, we can insert one geometric mean, and also you can insert two geometric mean between a and b. You can insert three geometric mean between a and b. You can insert four geometric mean between a and b, as you like to insert geometric mean between a and b. Now let G1, G2, G3, G4, so on, Gn be numbers insert between two positive numbers a and b, such that a G1, G2, G3, G4, so on, Gn b is GP. Here we insert n geometric means between a and b. This is the geometric mean G1, G2, G3, G4, Gn of two positive numbers a and b. Then this make the sequence is the GP. Now we find the value of G1, G2, G3 similarly. Here first term a, let us consider the common ratio of this GP is, let us consider common ratio is R, and total term, the number of total term, number of terms in GP. Here n geometric mean and 1 and 2, there are total number of term in this GP is the n plus 2. We find the value of G1, G2, G3, G4. Here G1 is the second term of this GP. Second term of this GP is the AR to the power 2 minus 1. That means AR. Here general term of the GP, AN equal to AR to the power n minus 1. Using this formula, we find the value of G1 is equal to A. G1 is the second term. Then G1 equal to AR to the power 2 minus 1 equal to AR. And G2 equal to AR square. G3 equal to AR cube. Similarly, Gn equal to AR to the power n. Again, we find last term of this GP, G, this is denoted by 1. Again, we find the value of last term an plus 2. An plus 2 equal to last term, that means n plus 2 term of this GP is the B. But formula of this AR to the power n plus 2 minus 1, Gn plus 2 equal to AR to the power n plus 1. Here An plus 2 term is the B. Now this implies that AR to the power n plus 1 equal to B. Last term of this GP is the B, and that means n plus 2 term of this GP is the B. Then value of An plus 2 is the B. We put the value of An plus 2 is the B. Then find the value of AR to the power n plus 1 equal to B upon A. Again, R equal to B upon A to the power 1 upon n plus 1. That means if x cube equal to 8, then x equal to 8 to the power 1 by 3. Put the value of R in 1. Put the value of R in 1, we get the value of G1, G2, G3, Gn, so on. G1 equal to A, value of R equal to B upon A, value of R equal to B upon A to the power 1 by n plus 1. G2 equal to AR square. G2 equal to AR square. The value of R B upon A to the power 1 upon n plus 1, that means this is a square 2 power n plus 1. Here G3 equal to AR cube. This gives the value A B upon A to the power 3 upon n plus 1. Similarly, we can find the value of Gn. In a similarly way, we find the value of Gn equal to A B upon A to the power n upon n plus 1. We can insert G1, G2, so on Gn be the geometric mean between A and two positive numbers A and B, the value of G1 equal to this, the value of G2 equal to this, and the value of Gn equal to this, and this makes is a GP. We have proved that geometric mean between two positive numbers A and B is G1 equal to A into B upon A to the power 1 upon n plus 1, and G2 equal to A B upon A to the power 2 upon n plus 1, G3 equal to A into B upon A to the power 3 upon n plus 1, and hence Gn equal to A B to the power B upon A to the power n plus n upon n plus 1. Now here two positive numbers A and B, we can insert one geometric mean, two geometric mean, three geometric mean, as you like. That means firstly we insert the one geometric mean, then what is the value of G? The value of G, A equal to G equal to square root AB comma B. And second, you can insert two geometric mean between A and B. What is the value of G1 and G2? Here A comma value of G1 equal to A B upon A to the power 1 upon n plus 1, and value of G2 equal to A B upon A to the power 2 upon n plus 1 comma B. Here the value of this, how many geometric insert between two positive numbers A and B? There are two geometric mean, insert two positive numbers A and B. First is the G1, second is the G2, then the value of n equal to 2 put here, then we get the value A B upon A to the power, here value is the 2. Why? Because we can insert two geometric mean between A and B. That means 1 upon 2, 3. 2 and the value of n equal to 2 plus 1 equal to 3. A B upon A, and here 2 by 3 comma B. Similarly, we can insert three geometric mean between A and B is A G1 comma G2 comma G3 comma V. A, the value of G1 is equal to A B upon A to the power 1 upon n plus 1, that is value of n equal to 3, 3 plus 1 equal to 4, comma A B upon A to the power 2 upon 4, comma A B upon A to the power 3 upon 4, comma B. Similarly, we can insert four geometric mean between A and B. Here the value of G1 equal to, and value of G2 equal to, value of G3 equal to, value of G4 equal to, we can insert A B upon A to the power. Here how many geometric mean? 4 geometric mean. Then put the value of n equal to 4 and find the 1 by 5, comma A B upon A to the power 2 upon 5, A B upon A to the power 3 upon 5, and A B upon A to the power 4 upon 5 and B. Similarly, we can insert 5 geometric mean, 6 geometric mean, as you like. In our next video, next lecture, we will discuss about this in our details. Now we will discuss few examples, few simple examples related to the geometric mean. First example, insert one geometric mean between 1 and 2. We can discuss one geometric mean between 1 and 2. That means here a equal to 1 and b equal to 2. Then we can insert one geometric mean between a and 2. Let us, which is a g. Find the value of g. G equal to square root ab. That means square root 1 multiplied 2 equal to square root 2. That means 1 comma 2 2. This is the square root 2 is the geometric mean between 1 and 2. Your answer is the right or wrong. Check whether these are geometric mean of 1 and 2. Now here a1 equal to 1, a2 equal to. Now we checking that this is a GP or not. This is a GP or not. Here first term a1 equal to 1, a2 equal to root 2 and a3 equal to 2. Find the value of a2 upon a1 is equal to square root 2 upon 1. That means square root 2. And here we find the value of a3 upon a2 is equal to 2 upon square root 2. This is equal to square root 2. Since a2 upon a1 equal to a3 upon a2, hence it is a GP. Hence it is a GP. Then square root 2 lies between the 1 and 2. Then square root 2 is the geometric means. Verification of your answer. That means your answer will be correct. Now we discuss the second examples. Second examples, find the geometric mean of 4 and 9. Here we find the geometric mean of 4 and 9. That means solution. Here a is equal to 4 and b equal to 9. We find the value of g. We know that g equal to square root ab. That means g equal to square root 4 multiply 9. This equal to g equal to square root 36. G equal to 6. Only take the value 6. This is a not gives a value plus minus 6. Only gives the value plus 6. Here our geometric means is the 6. Check the geometric mean of 4 and 9 is the 6. This is a correct or incorrect. Now if it is a geometric mean of 4 and 9, then this form is the GP. Again we check this is a GP or not, and first term is the 4, second term is the 6 and third term is the 9. Find the value of a2 upon a1. a2 upon a1 equal to 6 upon 4. That means this is a value of 3 by 2 and a3 upon a2 equal to 9 upon 6. That means this is a value of 3 by 2. Since a2 upon a1 equal to a3 upon a2, hence given GP, given sequence is the GP. Hence 4, 6, 9 is a GP. That means this is a GP. And check 6 lies between the 4 and 9. The value of 6 lies between the 4 and 9. Yes. Hence 6 is the geometric mean of 4 and 9. This questions are also asking to you the pattern of change of this question. That means the way of the question is the change. We will discuss example 3. Insert one numbers between 3 and 27 so that the resulting sequence is GP. Here insert one numbers between 3 and 27 so that the resulting sequence is the GP. Here not mentioned in a previous question. Question is the find the geometric mean of 4 and 9. Then you simply understand, you find the value of geometric mean. But here directly not mention geometric mean. But question is just says that insert one number between 3 and 27 so that the resulting sequence is the GP. That means we can insert are numbers between 3 and 27 and make the sequence is the GP. That means this number is the also geometric mean of this number. The way of question is the change. That means the pattern of the question will be changed, but question is the same. In a previous question find the geometric mean, and here insert the numbers between 3 and 27 so that the resulting sequence is the GP. That means let us solution. Let us consider the number between 3 and 27 is G. We consider the number between 3 and 27 is the G. That means again according to question 3 comma G comma 27 is a GP. That means G is the geometric mean of 3 and 27. Then we can find the value of G equal to square root 3 multiply 27 using formula A G B is GP. That means G is geometric mean of AB. G equal to square root AB. Here we use the formula G equal to square root AB. That means G equal to 3 multiply 27 is equal to 81. G equal to 9. G equal to 9. Your answer is 9. But you check your answer is the correct or wrong. Why you are checking this answer is the correct or incorrect? Now here 3, 9, 27 is the GP. Check, this is a GP. Here A1 equal to 3, A2 equal to 9 and A3 equal to 27. Find the value of A2 upon A1 equal to 9 upon 3. This equal to 3. A3 upon A2 is equal to 27 upon 9. That means this equal to 3. This is the GP and 9 is the geometric mean between the 3 and 27. That means the number 9. the number 9 to make the this is the GP, that means 3 9 27 is GP, and your answer is the 9. Your answer is the 9. Again in next lecture we will discuss about the geometric mean with the help of some more examples. Thank you.